This socket set is available from 1aauto.com. It has 23 pieces. It's metric, 6-point sockets, 3/8 drive. I'll just turn the case around that's included with it, open it up. It has standard sockets and deep sockets. They range from 10mm to 19mm, and the same for the standard sockets, 10mm to 19mm. The extensions are 6 inches and then 3 inches. Has a universal joint. Of course, the 3/8 drive ratchet. These have a nice action on them. Another nice part of this kit is that it comes with a 16mm spark plug socket that has the rubber grommet inside to help you hold the spark plug when you're installing it so it doesn't fall. And they also come with a 21mm spark plug socket. So these two sockets should fit most spark plugs in most cars. And then of course you have a nice range of the typical metric sockets that you need to work on a car, and they come in this nice storage case, so if you don't have a toolbox, you can keep them organized. It's a great way to start your tool collection.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.